Writing is one of the most basic skills that we learned in our lives. Since we were kids, we were taught about how we can improve our writing skills. From writing simple words, we started constructing sentences until we form paragraphs. Our writing progress does not stop. However, various tools and applications started popping up that help us in writing. These applications and commands allow us to fast track our way of developing and making our school papers and writing projects. One of these commands is the copying and pasting of text from the web to another application. Copying and pasting require a few steps only. You just need a few clicks and you're done. For some people, the keyboard shortcut of copying and pasting is already a reflex. However, do you know that you can actually earn money from doing this simple online command? That's right! You can earn money from copying and pasting things on the internet. I will teach you how you can make a fat stack of money with the use of copy and paste commands. With this internet hack, you can actually make up to $800 every day. It is really an easy and reliable money-making method. You might be asking, what is the catch or what does it take to earn this amount of money? Well, there is no catch for this method because you do not need to invest any capital nor to buy anything in order to start our money-making journey. It is 100% free and it is also accessible anywhere in the world. You can use any devices that you have at home, so it is really easy to earn money with this application. You also do not need to have any prior experience or technical skills when doing this method. Even a beginner has the opportunity to earn money in this online technique. So stay tuned and watch until the end of the video to know more about this method. A reminder before I share this tip, do not forget to like and subscribe to our account for more fantastic financial contents. This is the Online Money Machine, and here I will teach you amazing yet simple ways and tips on how to make money online. Again, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification button to know more about our future money-making contents. Being updated to the latest hacks will let you start earning more money. Lastly, let's make this an interactive learning experience by commenting and posting your questions, comments, reactions, and thoughts in the comment section of the video. The primary website that we will be using is called Captira.com. It is an internet platform that allows buyers and sellers of technological applications to interact. Basically, you can find various information about various applications and websites on this site. Furthermore, they offer various services regarding the software industry. They will help you find the best softwares for your business or daily needs. In this site, you will be able to read reviews and compare options about the best softwares that you could purchase. This site is for business owners and entrepreneurs who are looking for the best deals out there. Thus, you might be thinking how you can earn money from this. To answer that, you will be the one who will provide reviews about the said softwares. You will offer your opinion on this platform for business owners and other people to see and consider while looking for something to purchase. You will just write a review and share your thoughts about their products. After that, you will easily earn money. Imagine getting paid for writing what you think about certain things. Indeed, this site is really spectacular. On their page, try to look at the upper left corner of the page. You will notice the software category text on it. You just need to click it and you will get redirected to another page where you can access hundreds of other categories. Of course, you will not use and review everything on it. Instead, you will just focus on one category that really sparks your interest. You need to focus on one in order to come up with an accurate and great review. Also, you need to stay until the end of this video to hear how you can make money in a faster and easier way using this site. Now, click the Write a Review text located on the upper right side of the page. You'll redirect to another page where you can browse a wide array of softwares that you can make a review about. This page is expected to contain some of the most popular softwares that people use frequently. As you can see, they have Project Center, Microsoft, SharePoint, Viber, Asana, Google Workspace, WebEx, and many more famous applications. You can continue scrolling down on this list to see the perfect software that you would like to make a review about. Just take your time and explore your various options. For this video, I will not put you in any hassle or waste your time. Thus, I recommend that you use the Shopify application for the review. To do this, I want you to type it in the search bar and look for it on the site. After that, just press the Shopify software and the page will reload. You will then see a page where you can officially write a review for the application. To write a review, you first need to complete filling out your basic information. You just need to enter your first name, last name, and email address. After that, you will be asked about your job title. For this part, I encourage you to put freelancer as your job. You will also be asked about the organization name, to which I recommend that you put self-employed. Now, I asked you to do these things because it will help increase your chance of getting into Capterra. If they know that you are self-employed and a freelancer, they will think that you have sufficient time and knowledge to lend your services on their platform. You will be seen as a huge asset towards the achievement of Capterra's goal of providing the best services for their clients. Now, you will also be asked about the job industry that you are in. Well, I recommend again that you select computer software. This will give you an impression that you are knowledgeable about softwares. Thus, you will be able to provide meaningful and well-thought reviews. Now, you will also be asked about the company size. Just choose myself for this question. Then, they will ask you about how long you have used the software. Just select the 6 to 12 months option so that you can establish your credibility as a user. Now, they will ask about the frequency of your use. Just choose weekly for that. The next thing that you need to do is to simply tick the box for I am a user when you are asked about your role in using the application. The review does not end there, because when you click the next button, the page will reload to reveal another one. The page that you will see will ask you to rate the overall quality, ease of use, features and functionality, customer support, value for money, and ease of development. Now, I am encouraging you to give it all a 4 to 5 stars rating. This way, your response would remain positive. After that, you will be asked about its pricing and whether you would like to recommend it to other users. Just choose a mid-tier for the price, while you can go as high as 10 for the second question. The last step for your review is to write it on your own. Before you fill this up, go back to the home page and search Shopify on it. The page will show you the search results. After that, press the Shopify by Shopify once. Once you click it, you will get redirected to another page where you can see various information about this application. What I want you to do is to scroll down and look for the review section. Once you see it, you can read and explore everything. You will find more than 4,000 reviews shared by users worldwide. Now, I want you to choose some of these reviews and copy them. Then, you will paste it on your own review page. For example, choose one of these reviews and copy them. You can start with the advantages of the site. After that, you will need to also copy one of the reviews that state its disadvantages. Once it's done, you also need to provide an overall review about the site. Just describe the experience that you have while using Shopify. Of course, the copied texts would not be used as it is. You do not want to be flagged as having plagiarized content. Thus, I encourage you to try to tweak it by adding some words or changing them with their synonyms. You can also change the sentence construction if you want to. Just make sure to add your own flavor to it so that it will sound yours. Now, you have your review. What is left to do is to add a title to it. You can choose any title and make sure that you choose a catchy one. For example, you can put the title as My Thoughts About Shopify. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to answer the questions at the bottom of the page. Choose the no answer for both. Once you are done with this, you can already submit your review. That is how you can earn money from copying and pasting things on the internet. It is very easy and everyone can now start their own online money making journey while using this site. Again, this is Online Money Machine, and do not forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to know more about how to make money online.